This year, 2024, we are back to meal planning. Our meal budget has been all over the place. It's been high, it's been low, it's been everything, and we need to rein it in. We'll be using meal planning, and you're going to come along with me as we're meal planning together and trying to bring order back into my kitchen, into this home, because honestly we cannot be using money the way we were using in 2022. I was looking back at my videos in 2022 and things have changed a lot. Now we have 2 kids. Our food budget is possibly double at this point. You see, I don't even know. That's first sign of things are more expensive now, but even your needs are a lot more. But that's where meal planning comes in. We plan our meals, we go and shop and look for the best prices, and we still make yummy food because our palates have also developed, right? Another thing that we're going to be doing this year is that we're going to look for other ways of saving money, like using Tupperware to keep food for longer and preserving food in the freezer so that it can last us for a long time. So come along with me in this journey as we are getting back to meal planning. Be sure to check out my older videos. I will link them down in the description box below, and you can go and watch them as you're waiting for the next video.